Have you done something today that adds value to your future self? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about adding value. Evaluate yourself and see where you're adding value to your life. See what you can do daily that your future self will thank you for. For example, if you've got a goal where you're trying to become an actress, you have to perhaps start early and just start reading script, start working on your reading, start working on your expression, do your research, do something today, even if it's one small thing that will add value to what you're trying to achieve. For example, sometimes it can be as small as going for a run in the morning just to clear your mind so that you can focus on your to-do list for the rest of the day. It can be as small as sometimes as small as taking the time to refresh because you've been working so hard and you haven't taken the time to have a break. You can spend so much time in the day working, but we all know that you can only be productive for a certain amount of time before you're just wasting your time. So sometimes adding value actually means taking the time to relax and refresh. Sometimes adding value, is you spending time, with people that empower you so they can reinstall your visions, your goals into you. Sometimes it's adding value is just having a chat with someone so they can give you some constructive criticism. Whatever it is, you have to make sure that you're doing one small thing every single day that you'll be thankful for. For example, if you've got a fitness journey on days where you might not necessarily want to do a high intensity workout, you can do something to improve your flexibility. That's still doing one small thing that will make you attain and reach your goal. Remember, you have to do one small thing each day that contributes towards becoming the best version of yourself. That contributes towards becoming a better you, that contributes towards achieving your goals, that contributes towards your business, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. Make sure that you're present and you're adding value to your life every single day. If you find that you're spending so much time doing things that don't add value, for example, you're spending too much time concentrating on things that matter, concentrating on the negativity, concentrating on things that are bringing you down, that's actually taking away from what you're trying to achieve. Regardless of what you're trying to do, make sure that there's value and you're adding value, you're teaching someone something new, or you're learning from somebody. Even reflection is still value because you get to see where you're going wrong, you get to identify which areas you should put more of your effort into. So don't forget to do one small little thing every single day and leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know one small thing that you do every day that adds value to your life, and share it with everyone in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.